We are going to try this again, pretending like I didn't just absolutely fumble a decent run by overstaying my welcome. I definitely should have left. 100%. I did not need to stay there. There was no benefit, but I was stubborn. I wanted to get the money. And that is a good teaching moment, actually. We can just pretend like I did that to teach you that you need to know when to back off. I was going to sing a song, but I don't feel like getting copyright striked. It's a big concern. I want the music. Like, this game's music is so good, but I don't wanna... I don't know how to do all that. I don't know how to dodge the fair use. I think it'd just be safer not to risk it, so we're not. Uh-oh. Ah, silly. You couldn't hit me, could you? Ah, good try. Good try. Good try, Stone Titan. I knew there was somebody hiding over there. There we go. I've become so much more aware of my breathing trying to play this game. I don't think it's going to get picked up. I didn't hear it picked up in the last one. I did watch through it. I was making sure the audio was fine. I was going to upload it anyways because it was documenting. But, like I said, I'm not too worried about it. I don't think... I mean, you'll all clown me for it when I see you again, but it's fine. I can handle some clowning. Oh, ow. I'm seeing a lot more boxes. I'm liking that. They're not as specialized boxes, but even I'll take some basic boxes just to have some items. One coin? Bruh. Thought I'd get more than that. Is that a barrel? It's a printer, not a barrel. And a for box. Woohoo. Nothing? Nothing. It's fine. It's fine. We're gonna hop back down here. Grab this item. Hopefully we're gonna have some spawn in between there. Ah. What a shame. Ooh. We love the tri-tip dagger. Tri-tip dagger plus soldier syringe. Easy game. Easy combo. I would say easy game. I'll still play. I mean, I will end up dying at some point. But the point being, it's really not the best, but it's the best of what we got access to right now, you know? Taking out all the fancy schmancy items that I haven't demonstrated yet. I don't think I have enough to mess with the lunar pillar yet. Like I said, I've hardly shown off this character well. I didn't even show off the first character well enough, honestly, in my opinion. I say once I get 4 characters. 4 characters, and I'll dabble into the lunar aspect. Did I open this red box? I don't even remember. This one. Did I open it? I did not. Ooh. Still handy, but not what I was looking for. Gambling shrine? That is what I'm looking for. Ooh. Oh. Oh, wow. I feel like I just won the chance pillar. That'd have been so handy last round. Though I can't complain about last round. It was handing me some beautiful items, and I died anyways. I am not seeing anything down there. I'm having a hard time controlling my vocal, like, tone. I don't know how loud to speak. I don't know how quiet to speak. It still feels weird to speak loud. I feel like I'm talking to myself. But I kind of recognize that I don't need to have the crackle in my voice by talking quiet. But I don't know. It doesn't feel right to talk loud and proud when I'm in such a thin-walled building. People are gonna think I'm just crazy. And, not the best feeling. I don't need them to know that yet. I think that is almost all the boxes. I can't complain. No green box, but I did get the Chance Shrine somewhat from the Chance Shrine, which is just as good. I will buy that turret though. Will buy the turret. Look at me go. Look at it go. It's so good. Where is it? Here it is. Over here somewhere. Yep. What's in this? Ah, it's a topaz. Topaz brooch. Is there anything right back here? Hello? Any bucks? Bucks? No bucks. It's fine though. Let's hurry up and get out of here. I'm already on medium. Oh, great. I really gotta leave sooner. Oh yeah, wait, this isn't the normal one. It's my only cover. I did kind of run into it though. Can't even complain. I did run into it. Come on. Oh, I have a Rubio. Need to get closer. There we go. There we go. Yay! Musil. Come here. Stone Titan. Who just spawned? Aww. Little Stone Titan. This is a much better start. Oh my goodness, this is such a better start. I mean, you're always going to find better runs. You'll have a good run, but then you'll get an even better run. Or a worse run. It's a gambling thing. And everybody knows we love gambling. Coin. I think it... Yeah, 4 characters is fair, because 2 of them are easy to get. I know at least 2 characters that are trivially easy to get. One's beat game. One's get through 3 levels. And I say beat game like it's easy. But if you get a good run, you can obliterate. You don't have to fight the boss. Which I haven't discussed yet, so spoiler alert, there is a boss. There's a couple bosses. Ow. The boxes are more expensive. Barrels. Have I had my favorite item yet? Just like my independent favorite item for fun. I don't think I've... Have I? Have I? Oh, I don't know. May not have. Leave that turret alone. Leave him alone. Don't you do it. Oh, it wanted to. It wanted to smack it. Oh my goodness, you're kidding me. Another Animal Monster Tooth necklace? Wow. Thank goodness. That's what I needed more of in my life. There we go. I do not mind another turret though. For sure. Oh man. Look at that game sense. Siege? Hardly even know him. Game sense is like that. That's where it's at. I say as a Siege player. Kinda crazy. There's quite a few turrets around here, though. I would not mind having more turret action. It burns money and it ups the difficulty because I don't buy items, but you know what? It's fun. And that's the whole purpose of this game. If that means I run the risk of not having a perfect run to have fun, I'm gonna do it. And it'll be okay. No rotate? Wow. Let me get this random. It's... Thank goodness. I got what was already on the board. What's up here? What's a green box? 2 old world scout kits and a missile. Oh man, we know what we're getting. And I say we, but me. I know what me get. Me get. Oh, what? Ow. Not cool. Haha, not that time. Oh, you know, hey, hit me the first time. I'm sticking around. I totally advise against this, but it's so easy to lock in next to a good box. Like, I don't want to leave it. Well, it's too late now. I've kind of already saved up for it. Don't do that, though. No! What's this down here? A healing drone? Actually, I'll take that. What's over here? Ooh, I wouldn't mind having sprint speed. Very nice. Oh, I should have saved it. Oh, I should have saved it. Oh, look at that. Look at that karma. And that didn't even die. What's over here? Look at that missile go. There we go. Get out of here. Yeah, remind me about the turret. I want to come back for it. Oh, that's what we unlocked with all of the turrets. Now, we get a little buddy every time we open a crate. Every time we do anything. Any interaction gives us a little turret now. But they die. I know. Sad. But every single squid turret is destined to die the moment it is opened. If it's brought to life just to die. I know. It's very sad. I hear you crying. I agree. It's very sad. You can, like, pocket heal them, but it's definitely not worth it. There we go. That should do it. So if I stand, like, right next to a squid turret, my healing drone will heal it, but it's not worth it. You just have to let them go. Gambling turret? Not gambling turret. Gambling shrine. The shrine of the gamble? Ugh, I'm poor. Time to go earn more money just to blow it on gambling. Ah, the circle of life. The turret's doing a great job. Hardly even kept up with it. Dude, that's so crazy. Why is it actually working? Actually winning the gambling shrine is kind of crazy. It doesn't happen that often. Oh my goodness. What are the odds? I can't even... I can't even get the item that I want to get. You know how often, like, I've got like 7 fails in a row on them things. On this account? Nah. I've had 1 failure back to back. Can I throw a thing? There we go. What's up? Adios. Ooh, pain shrine. Bro, what is this? Pain shrine. For the money. Ooh. Protect me, squid turret. And turret. I have so many turrets. They do go to the next map, so it is always a good idea to collect turrets. It's a barrel. Ooh, any items? Any items? Any items? Of course not. There we go. And it's a war banner, which is kind of helpful for the teleporter event. That's it. That's all it's helpful for, but... Man, my luck with the boxes has not been awesome. The gambling has been great. Very productive. But... either I'm doing a terrible job of looking for them, or I'm just getting very unlucky. I didn't look up there, to be fair. I'm gonna go look up there. Let me go look up here. I don't see anything up there. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. There's a barrel up there. Oh. Oh, that's dumb. Yeah, you don't want to cancel stuff like that. You will take fall damage. I think I'm just getting really unlucky with the boxes. I mean, there's the altar, but... I'm not seeing anything box-wise. It's kind of disappointing, but it's fine. I wasted enough time on stage 2 to be very hard. Ooh, that's very nice. Let me get all up in her business. Ow. Yeah, her minions are what hurts. She sucks, but her minions are worse. Hello. Ah. There we go. Eagle guard. Ooh, we're going. Okay, this is gonna be a good run. I'm calling it. You know, some people say don't put that in the air. I'm putting it in the air. It's gonna be a good run. I like this map. So I can find some early game barrels. My turrets can handle a lot of the small fry. No easy barrels, which is very unfortunate. I do have a selecting vending machine. With the crowbar. Oh, puppy, it's getting good. We get access to a crowbar. I don't even know what word I just said. I was gonna say baby, but it did not come out. And another crowbar? Huge. One-sixth of the way to that challenge to have that many crowbars. Oh, shoot. They're still fighting something huge over there. Poor squid turret. Trying his best. And this is when it's dying over there, right? Yeah, the squid turret. He doesn't want to die though, does he? Really, the bleed stacks is when it's gonna get him for me. There we go. Easy peasy. Give me this. Another sprint speed. I'll take that happily. We got a wisp. I'm not ready for that one yet. Oh! Uh-oh. I need you to stun. Stun. I need you to stun. Or die. Dying is also probably the better option. Ooh. Okay, we're good. That blink is nice. Don't overshoot it, because you'll just go off the map. Bustling fungus. Not that great for this character. There is a character that really kills with that ability. Is that equipment vending machine? Yeah. I'll take a random. Maybe show off more. That one's just healing, which is very nice. I say just healing, like it's not one of the nicest options. I don't know, I'm a big damage person. Who needs to heal when you just don't get hit? Why are you shooting my squid? Have you no shame? I do think the lore is interesting for this game. I don't know, it's, you can read where it's like the guys who made this had no idea what they're doing with the lore. Which I think is kind of funny. Makes it seem more pure. The purest lore. Having absolutely no idea what's happening and just making up as you go. Bustling fungus, this man. Hello, Beetle Guard. Plural. Even more. Open that barrel already. Ooh, finally a green box. Let's go. One of the best items for the Huntress. Getting all that vertical movement. Any chest down here? No. Oh, okay. Look at all them hit markers. Okay, we can grab this chest. Not doing any secrets does mean you get less items, by the way. So whenever I do eventually show that off, you'll see how different the game is going to look, item-wise and overall progression-wise. Ah. There we go. I'm not seeing any more boxes. Oh, there's a vending machine. And a box. And the box. Man, I'm blind, I guess. Crowbar? Nah. Another Chrono Bobble. Oh, I already opened that one. This is the last area. Is that... I need $2 more. You're kidding me. There's this box right here. Okay, that's it. Oh. Flat damage negation. That's nice. Grab this box. Oh. Give me that. I didn't even have a stun grenade. That's why that guy didn't stun when I was shooting him. Okay, I think we're good. Oh. How that tide has changed. Where'd that teleporter go? Here it is. This guy's a pain. Also kind of scary sometimes. You just gotta have some. You gotta have to have mobility for this guy. There we go. Mobility is your best friend in this game, for sure. That's a scary... If that guy wouldn't have been so stupid, that would have hurt. Oh, we're getting... I gotta back up a little bit. TC's getting a little loud. Probably because it's also running multiple programs to make this thing record. I don't know how much further I can go back though. Look at that. A new character unlocked. Ah. See, I don't know this map very well. It's recently added. Well, more recent than the rest. I don't know really when it came out. Now I'm kind of concerned that that PC getting hot is going to be like audible. I'll have to look. I'm 20-something minutes in. I can look back at that and see. Not that I'm going to change it. I just unlock the character. That's kind of important to keep in the video. It would be good to know for future reference. Let's make good money. Better be good money. Ooh. I like getting the items that do some chain reactions, because like some later rounds you don't want to spend a lot of time in each level. So you'll pop one guy, chain reaction, and it finishes off the rest of it for you. Better kill that boss, actually. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? There you are. I see you, don't worry. No. No. not happening. Oh! See, that's a, what we call Elder Lunarian. He is quite terrifying. But thankfully... Oh, there's another one. I spoke too soon. Sticky bomb. Helpful. Not important, though. Challenge the mountain. He has yet to go good for me yet. This is the one. This is the one. It's gonna go great. Ooh. Another Hoopoe Feather. Very nice. I get to do triple jump. Oh yeah. I might get all the top stuff before I go below. What's spawning? There we go. I do want that other drone though. I forgot the other one. There's another one up there, wasn't there? We'll get it. We'll get it. I could have fought that Elder Lunarian for money. Actually, now that I think about it. Oh, there's turret. Or there's not teleporter. Yeah, I don't know. I just feel like I'm not really getting damage out. It's a shredder. I think I've explained that one before. Oh! He's scary. That's a elite Elder Lunarian. He can and will one-shot if I'm not careful. Back off. Don't you even look at me. Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good. This will be cash money though. Oh no. Die. Please, please, please. Oh, okay. I can breathe. Where did that healing turret go? Oh, it's down here, buddy. Yeah. That turret's already dead. Rest in peace, turret. Another legendary, or no, it's an equipment. Not a legendary item. It's an equipment. Whoops. I haven't cleared up top yet. I'm not gonna go down below. Oh, can't aim. Ooh. What's up here? Squat. It's over here. Normal box. Look at that. Our first red item. It cheats to death. That's the tier of red items right there. What is this one? Oh, it's a frenzy. Yeah, I want that one more than the healing. The frenzy is getting a huge fire rate increase. Soldier syringe plus the frenzy I just got? Spoiling me. No. That one, there's a drone. It automatically uses your equipment when it's ready. But if it dies, you just lose the equipment. So, I don't mess with it that often. I saw a red crate, though. I do mess with those as often as I can. Ow. See, that's a little scary. Am I gonna burn to death? Oh, I forgot I had this. I was in disbelief. I was actually drop-jawed. That's a red atom. Red atoms, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. That's not a great sign. may not be the best of signs, but it's fine. What burned me? I don't even remember. Hi. Where did you come from? Oh, oh, ow. See what I was talking about? Can and will one-shot you. I avoid anything Lunarian. Like it's the plague. Because they are a plague. I have an extra jump? Yes. What's down here? I avoided it down below. Let's hope it was worth it. Please. This isn't looking good. One more box. Another syringe. I got a huge fire rate right now. Plus the frenzy. I might be able to handle that. Oh, do I do it? I have to. I have to. That's really not great. So I've just doubled the challenge. Oh, this is gonna be real stupid. I felt safer with that extra life. Now I don't have it. I'm a little scared. But it's okay. I'm gonna win anyways. I'm just gonna keep my distance. Okay. Oh. Oh dear. Hmm. You know? No, it's fine. We unlocked something else. See, that was all for the item. Maybe I'll get a new character. The Bandit. I'm gonna go back to this guy though. I feel like I didn't give him a good enough start. Thank, thanks for watching that absolute embarrassment. It's fine though. Um, Definitely was worth it for the funny ha-has.